Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Or maybe you just want to make some extra income from home? Well, guess what? In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can start your very first side hustle online, even if you've got zero experience or money to start with. We'll go step by step through everything, from finding your perfect idea, building your online presence, and turning it into a real source of income. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Why start a side hustle? One income stream in 2025 is risky. With a side hustle, earn extra money, gain skills, and build something that could replace your 9-to-5. Here's why side hustles are powerful. Work from anywhere. All you need is Wi-Fi. Start small with little investment. Grow it into something big, giving you financial freedom. So, which one will you start? Identify your skills. Figure out what you're good at and enjoy. Ask yourself these questions. What do people ask me for help with? What skills do I have? What problems can I solve? Find something that hits all three. You're halfway there. Profitable online side hustles for beginners. Freelancing. Offer writing, design, or marketing skills on Fiverr or Upwork. Affiliate marketing. Promote products. Earn commissions through your links. Print on demand. Create custom designs with zero inventory. Online courses, coaching. Teach what you know on Teachable or Udemy. Digital products, sell ebooks, templates on Etsy or Gumroad. Start with something that's already working and make it your own. The key to validate your idea. Test if people will pay for the product. Use Google Trends to see new trends. Search now on Reddit and Quora. Look closely at your competitors now. Validation saves you a lot of time. Build your complete online home today. Start now with a simple website. Create all your social media profiles. Email marketing really and truly works well. Just be present where it matters most. Right, the fun part, it's time for making money. Let's monetize your hustle. Offer freelance services now. Sell your products. Promote your affiliate links. Monetize content always. Pro tip, diversify your income. Don't rely on one source only. More ways you earn, more stable income. And consistently, optimize and automate. Use Zapier to connect apps, Buffer to schedule posts, and Canva to create visuals. Check analytics to see what's working. Outsource tasks to freelancers so you can focus on growing your business. Once your side hustle is rolling, it's time to scale. Raise prices, launch products, and build a team. Invest in ads or collaborations. Small steps lead to growth. That's how entrepreneurs turn side hustles into empires. Discuss key things to avoid when starting your online side hustle journey. Don't try to do everything at once. Strategically focus your energy. Don't ignore market research. Understanding your target audience is absolutely key. Don't give up too early. Remember, perseverance is absolutely key to success. Every successful entrepreneur has failed. The difference is they didn't stop trying. Starting a side hustle isn't just about extra cash. It's about achieving true freedom. It's about building something that is uniquely and completely yours. Whether freelancing, affiliate marketing, or creating digital products, the best time to start is now. Begin your exciting journey right now without delay. If you found value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Tell me which side hustle you're starting, and let's build a supportive community together online. Keep hustling, keep learning new things, and keep growing.